Well, let's talk about your COVID-19 update now. The Sangamon County Health Department has a backup plan to prevent leftover COVID-19 vaccines from being wasted at the end of any given day. Fox's Tessa Bentulan is working for you to make sure shots are going into your arm instead of into the trash. Tessa.
Well, Devin, it's a challenge every day for the Sangamon County Health Department to make sure that these life-saving COVID-19 vaccines don't expire without being used. Now, to prevent that, they have a list of people they reach out to, mostly people who are allowed to get the vaccine right now. Sangamon County's Public Health Department tries to make sure they precisely allocate the number of COVID-19 vaccines needed on a given day, but they do tend to have extra.
The Moderna vaccine comes in vials of 10 doses. So if our last appointment, we have to open a vial for that last appointment, then we're looking for 9 people.
The health department's director, GAIL O'Neill, says they will look for someone, ideally those who are in phase 1A or 1B, who's eligible to get the vaccine right now.
We developed a list of school teachers and school personnel. We've had law enforcement and the fire department, any place close to us.
The list includes the Sangamon County Sheriff's Department. Sheriff Jack Campbell says if there is a vaccine available, the health department will call their dispatch center.
Dispatchers will put out to the cars working the street all over Sangamon County. Basically, the first people that indicate they want the vaccine will be put into line and able to run by immediately.
But they do take people who are not in phase 1A or 1B.
Sometimes there's people that stop by during the day at the registration area. Do you have any leftovers?
Not letting a vaccine go to waste is going to be a continual fight for the health department.
We don't want to promise people there's going to be something at the end of the day and then there's not. So it's a fine balance.
Those people who are getting a leftover vaccine will get their second dose of the vaccine as well. O'Neill says she's unsure right now. She wants to make appointments for overflow vaccines because the number of leftovers that they have on a day-to-day basis varies. Reporting live in Springfield, Tessa Bentulan. Devin, back to you.
Thank you, Tessa. HSHS St. John's also tells us they have a backup list if they end up having extra doses at the end of the day for people that are eligible in that phase at the current time.